So we are at the meetup spot right here. We're getting ready to head down to bike night.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all know my motto, get it while the getting is good. Our first video of 2023, and tonight we head into bike night, one of two bike nights for this week. They actually have it every week. I don't know if I'll be able to make both bike nights every single week, but we're gonna try and make tonight and tomorrow night. So before we get there, I want to update you guys on it's like a review, and to give some pros and cons about my ZX10RR. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys what I've done so far. If you haven't seen any other videos, I just want to show you guys what I've done so far and what I'm about to have done to her. So let me do this. I'm gonna get a closer up shot for you guys. Hang on one second. All right, here we go. So like I mentioned before, this is a review, and not only a review of as far as the pros and cons, but also what I've upgraded and, you know, what I'm going to do with her. So clean that a little bit. But as you can see, this is ZX10RR. This is a limited edition, and I have 324-500 made. So getting a little closer for you guys. Limited edition. As you all know, I added the frame sliders here on her. I want to get some bar end lever protectors put on. All this is going to be carbon fiber. I don't know if I'm going to take these off or leave them on and get wings instead. You guys let me know in the comments if I should do that. Should I take these off and get the wings? I'm gonna get the seat cover for her as well. And as you all know, I got that M4 exhaust. It is a slip-on, and also had her dyno tuned. So those are just some of the things that I'm gonna do with her. I was thinking about changing the calipers to green, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Again, I'll probably put that to a vote as well, as far as what should I do. Should I change these to green or just leave them like they are? But that's where we at so far, and you know, we'll see what else we're gonna change on here. So yeah, that's it for right now. We're gonna take her to bike night. It's about an hour away. First, I'm gonna meet up with some other guys. We're all gonna take the ride down there together. I'm gonna bring that footage to you as well. But let's get the cold start going with her. That M4 exhaust sounds sweet, even though it's a slip-on. And as you know, I'm gonna be adding two more bikes to my inventory. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the same exhaust because they are different bikes. I might go with different exhaust, and we'll see once I get those bikes and see what we're gonna add. But yeah, let's do this ride, this review while we're riding, and go meet up with the other guys and head down to bike night. So we are at the meetup spot right here. We're getting ready to head down to bike night down in West Palm Beach. You have a few riders that showed up. Some left already, but we all gonna pull out of here together. As you can see, we got a GTR here. Got a Gixxer with the Hendo exhaust. That's nice. I think this is the organizer's bike. We got a ZX10R right here, and I heard that he just bought this. I think. Still got the stock exhaust on it. It's a 636 actually. I don't know why I thought it was a 10. And then I'm gonna show. I filmed this one earlier with my phone. I'm gonna put that clip in here when he turned on his exhaust. Man, that is loud. I thought my M4 was loud, but this SC, and this is only a slip-on. It's not a full exhaust. That's really, really loud. It sounds so sweet on this 8. You have to be in person to understand that quality of that sound that when he had that on. So then of course you got my ZX10RR over here for show. A few more over here. Yamaha. Another Gixxer.
Arriving address just in case we get disconnected.
You have a GPS? Yeah, because it's real easy to get to. Matter of fact, I'll give you the address. Hold on.
No, he's legit.
Buffalo Wild Wings
In West Palm.
in West Palm Beach off of Okeechobee. It takes you right there. Because that's what I did last time I went.
Wild Wings in West Palm off Okeechobee. Directions, right? What's it's
Put start.
yeah, that's it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking hour long ride. Hell yeah. Bet you I get there half.
You still gonna try and stay together, right?
If I start acting too dumb, don't try to imitate it. I'm telling you, I get lost in the moment. I ain't concerned about nothing else. I got bad work at 5 o'clock in the morning.
7 for me.
I'm the boss, so
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll just get there, open up, so stop, and well, I gotta get away. I'm going upstairs to take a nap.
All right. Once we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video right now. So once we get started, I will resume as far as filming that ride down to West Palm Beach. Like I said, it's bike night. It's only a few of us heading down that way, but it should be quite a few once we get down there. So I'm gonna pause the video for right now and give me a few more minutes, and we'll resume once we get started. All right, we're getting ready to go. I don't know if anybody's gonna be doing any pulls right off the bat, because a lot of these guys don't know where it's at, and they don't want to get separated. So who knows? We'll see. my helmet, so now I gotta catch up with these guys again. And there they are. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to do pulls with all this traffic. This is rush hour, and nobody want to get out of the fast lane. They want to drive all slow. That helmet he has, when he brakes, the helmet lights up. If I didn't have my LED helmet, I would definitely put one of those on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video right now because we're obviously not doing any pulls. I want to save some batteries, and we'll resume once we get there. What happened to you guys?
I made the exit. Who made the exit?
I was behind you, but I didn't know it was the exit. I thought you were just getting over to get further down. And then by the time you got off, I was like, too late.
I thought that it came off quick. I was like, oh, shit, I'm like, no, I went all in. Like, that was good,
I just went to the next exit and turned around, that's all. Thanks. Badass, yeah, it could change to different patterns, man.
You saw one on the back of my head, right?
Yeah. I was talking about it on my channel. Like, I like the helmet, so when you brake, you know, it lights up and stuff like that. Yeah.
And you didn't see me hit that little groove back there when they was doing the construction. Man, I wasn't paying attention. I hit the groove where the lanes changed. Oh, dude, yeah.
You saw all those cones in the road?
Yeah, dude.
Somebody tore them up. They are all in the road. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit. That's what he
Luckily they were over there. We was in a fast lane, but you know, still.
Uneven lane, and
it wobbled you? Yeah. Oh my God, man.
Front damper's going out.
Oh, is it?
Oh, it's leaking.
Right now?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's leaking like that. Yeah, look, you see it? All the fluid down there.
You gonna be able to make it back?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's just a damper, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's just damper, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll just have to hold on to the steering wheel a little better.
Yeah, that's it. And watch those cones on the way back.
They ain't on the other side of the road.
Exactly. But if somebody hit them, they're gonna flip all over. So yeah. I'm gonna take a walk around and look at the bikes.
Short walk. It'll be a short walk.
Yeah. No, it was more crowded than this last week. Had to turn my helmet off. I just want to take a look at the bikes, what we have out here. Bike life, of course. Got the R1, ZX10R, white. I love the white ZX10R though. I mean, mine is a double R, green obviously, but I love the white. I was actually thinking about wrapping mine one side white and keeping the other side green. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below. I'm probably gonna get some mixed reactions, but another Gixxer. I don't know if you guys can see this at night. I should put my light on, but this mod doesn't hold the light very well. We got another 8 right here. So, what kind of exhaust he has on his? This is the SC. Does that come with the apes, the SC projects? I gotta ask him. If the SC projects come with the apes, you know? The SC exhaust, that comes with the apes? Because he has one on his too, as a SC project. So I'm gonna ask him when I get back over there. So I thought it'd be more crowded than this. It was last week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The one that's like deep standing room only is the Marina Mile 84 on Wednesday nights. Yeah.
Hungry? Want some food?
Yeah, I can get something to eat, I guess. Yeah, why not? Let me go secure up. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video right now. I'm gonna grab something to eat and resume after that. Yeah. Yeah. Is it open?
It's open, yeah.
Oh, that's what I thought. Hope I didn't lose anything. No, it's in the other part. I didn't lose anything.
Stick went. I'm like, where's your stick? I was like,
oh, I put it down.
I flew off.
I put it down. I don't usually ride up in the highway with it on. Yeah.